You are going to love the 2015 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.